Well, for imputurumpu amane boa beshim and anope they say Justice Blay Kumasi Asante Kotoko and then I extend the contract over 3 months. Akoye back and forth yeah train no. Finally Justice Blay I extend the contract no for Kumasi Asante Kotoko na extend for how many months, how many years who asem wa ha me de bro ofia and deadline transfer window no ebewe and upon me catch all say implications no saying what it means to say so far so remaining as Kumasi Asante Kotoko player and I registered and that and still or a part of everything even though the contract no expire on the 14th no information abani 15th wa renew ho asem wa ha me bro e wo fia pacha wa ha Super 24 TV unsubscribe ya warama na wa hit the red subscribe button na wa bado no so follow our social media handles no so Facebook Super 24 TV, Instagram no Kumasi Blogman na yendi kasubum wo ho. Now back to Kumasi Asante Kotoko Justice Blay and ne abey official Justice Blay Kumasi Asante Kotoko and de betu dwa no pay as Justice Blay the Supreme Court verdict no out na out what it means to say Justice Blay stays information yensa kan and I said the club official website editu dwa ne say Justice Blay contractor wa extending no Kumasi Asante Kotoko man 1 year apparently information bebre benina mu na Justice Blay ni agent no pay 2 years but Justice Blay say no or 31 years or ye 31 year old na Kumasi Asante Kotoko me sure say omusua there from Real Madrid from Chelsea player unya hit 30 a enya afi ne ye be ma maximum years of contracts when ya 1 year near extend the amount 1 year no so Kotoko confirm say Justice Blay's contract was signing this year no it is going to run out until January 2025. Yes, you be Ghana president for no samre na Justice Blay contract no ebe say it is also subjected to another renewal. Well, I think say that's the right way to go. And now final be sign contract 10 1 year na let say nyoma e cost fine. So right now confirmation enya ba eto be we be twene ha but at the end of the day the ebebo na aye na Justice Blay agents pay 2 years na enya massa say no 1 year and me I think the 1 year is okay, it's good man. Having little is more. So 1 year now when you no born home the club will definitely extend it for you. We wish Justice Blay all the best. Or another 1 year or be spending in Kumasi Asante.